Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're discussing why investing in AI legal apps without bar approval can be a costly mistake. If you're interested in legal tech or smart investing, this is something you need to understand. Let's get started. The buzz around artificial intelligence has reached a fever pitch in the legal world. You might see ads for new apps that promise to replace high-priced attorneys with a simple chat interface. These tools look sleek and move fast, however, they often operate in a dangerous gray area. While the technology seems like a glimpse into the future, putting your money into AI legal advice apps that lack bar association approval is a massive risk. Many of these startups ignore the strict rules that govern how law is practiced. If you're an investor or a business owner, you should know that disrupting the legal field isn't the same as disrupting a taxi service or a hotel chain. Laws are not just suggestions, they are rigid frameworks that can crush an unapproved app overnight. The legal roadblocks that make these apps a bad investment. In almost every jurisdiction, practicing law without a license is a serious crime. This concept is known as the unauthorized practice of law, or UPL. When a software program moves beyond providing templates and starts giving specific advice, it crosses a dangerous line. In fact, many states define practicing law quite broadly. If an app tells a user how to win a specific case or interprets a statute for them, it's acting as a lawyer. Because the app doesn't have a law license, it's technically breaking the law. Governments and courts don't take these violations lightly. A promising startup can raise millions of dollars only to be served with a cease and desist order the next week. When that happens, the company's operations often stop immediately. As a result, the value of your investment could drop to zero in a single afternoon. Legal tech history is already littered with companies that tried to bypass these rules only to be sued into oblivion. Furthermore, these companies rarely have a path toward legal compliance once they're caught. Unlike a software bug that can be fixed with a new line of code, UPL is a fundamental regulatory barrier. If the core product is illegal, the business model is broken. Investors who ignore these red flags are essentially gambling on the hope that regulators won't notice. In the legal world, regulators always notice eventually. Risk factor impact on investment likelihood of occurrence. UPL lawsuits complete shutdown of services high for unapproved apps. Regulatory fines massive loss of capital moderate to high. Permanent bans zero chance of market recovery moderate. The table above shows that the most severe risks are also the most likely for apps skipping the approval process. That wraps up Part 1. We've covered the legal risks and regulatory dangers behind unapproved AI legal apps. In Part 2, we'll talk about safer ways to invest in legal tech and what red flags to watch out for. Stay tuned for Part 2. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.